In this lecture, I want to talk to you about the opportunities that Bitcoin is going to experience in 2016 and whether that will mean Bitcoin is going to have its best year to date. So let me know your thoughts after I've gone through everything with you on whether you think Bitcoin does have the best chances to succeed in 2016 over all the other years that it's been around. So it is inevitable that in 2016 the Bitcoin network will scale. More people will start using Bitcoin and the number of transactions taking place will increase. This means more people are open to this revolution and open to joining it. So this is a huge opportunity for Bitcoin to go, well, a lot more mainstream than it is now. So this would stabilize the price of Bitcoin as the market matures, but it could also increase the price, making it profitable for those trading it. Now, this one is related to Bitcoin and it's about the blockchain, which is often cited as being the silent revolution behind Bitcoin. Now, I'm seeing for myself large financial institutions being turned on to the possibility of the blockchain in particular, which is the underlying asset of Bitcoin. So once again, this really helps Bitcoin because large organizations are realizing the power of it, which once again increases the value of Bitcoin and helps increase the confidence of the general person about Bitcoin. Now, a huge change during 2016 Bitcoin will have is the block halving. So in July, Bitcoins awarded to miners will drop from 3,600 Bitcoins per day to 1,800 Bitcoins per day. This is expected to have a positive impact on Bitcoin's price. So if you're looking to invest in Bitcoin for the long term, this is an opportunity for you to look out for. Just a little tip there. Of course, once this happens, the supply of Bitcoin will drop. Remember that I mentioned there is a limit of 21 million Bitcoins that can ever be created. And this change is expected to slow down that approach to that 21 million figure. But overall, those in the industry are expecting the Bitcoin markets to respond positively to that change. Now, there are many more things that Bitcoin can look forward to in 2016. And actually, one thing while we're here I'd like to touch on is sidechains. So this is something that is starting to now gain momentum within the Bitcoin field, and it does have a really good chance to make very good ground this year. So do keep an eye out for that. And remember, just to touch on, towards the end of 2015, Bitcoin's value rose and rose. At the time of creating this actual lecture, Bitcoin's value is around $650, which is very strong, considering it was at about $200 to $250 earlier in 2015. So Bitcoin's rise and Bitcoin becoming more mainstream and more popular is inevitable because the evidence is showing it in the transaction volume and in the price increase. Now, what else 2016 has in store for Bitcoin is yet to be seen. But this is for sure. It will certainly be an interesting year. And all the evidence and everything that's happened so far is pushing Bitcoin in a great direction and in a positive light.